Hello students, our today's topic is saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. Okay, so first let us know what is solute, solvent and solution. Solute is nothing but it is a substance which is dissolved in the solution. Okay, and solvent is nothing but which dissolve the solute. Okay, and solution nothing but solute plus solvent, solution. Okay, now next, see here, consider 100 ml of water here. Okay, we are going to see the saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated solution. So at 30 degrees centigrade we have taken 100 ml water and we have 10 gram of sugar. Okay, we have added 10 gram of sugar. So it is dissolved now. Yes, it will dissolve because it has the ability to dissolve the 10 gram of sugar. So this is unsaturated solution. Water has the ability to dissolve sugar. Okay, yes, again we are adding 10 gram of sugar in that solution only, in which we have added 10 gram of sugar. Okay, it will also dissolve in 100 ml of water, right? And it has the ability to dissolve this 10 gram of sugar also. Okay, total 20 grams of sugar in this water. This is also an unsaturated solution. Okay, yes, again we have to add 10 gram of sugar in that solution only, means it will be 30 grams. Okay, it will also dissolve in 100 ml of water. Okay, so this is now also this is unsaturated solution only, right? Because it has ability. Again we have to add 10 gram of sugar in that solution only. Okay, but this time some sugar will settle down. Why? That water has loses its ability to dissolve. Okay, only 30 grams of sugar it can dissolve. After that the some sugar settles down, so that is saturated solution. Saturated solution means the solution that cannot take up any more solute to dissolve. Okay, so what is the definition of unsaturated solution here? A solution which can dissolve further amount of solute at a particular temperature. Okay, so here 30 degree temperature, right? At 30 degree centigrade temperature only 30 grams of sugar is dissolving, right? After that are settling down. Okay, that is saturated. So what is the definition of saturated solution here? A solution which cannot dissolve further amount of solute at a particular temperature. At a particular temperature it cannot dissolve the solute. Solute is nothing but a substance, right? Yes, understand unsaturated solution and saturated solution. Now next we will see another example of that saturated or unsaturated solution. Here we have to take 2 beakers of salt solution. Okay, 2 beakers containing salt solution, solution P, solution Q we are indicating at 30 degree centigrade temperature only. So in first one we are adding 10 gram of salt. This is already salt solution. Okay, but at 30 degree centigrade, right, we are adding 10 grams of salt. So it is dissolved. It is dissolved, easily dissolved means it has the ability to dissolve more solute. So this is unsaturated solution. Understand? Yes. In next beaker again we are adding, here in next beaker we are adding 10 gram of salt. Okay, so it does not dissolve easily at 30 degree centigrade only. Why? Because it does not have ability to dissolve more solute. It is saturated solution. Understand what is unsaturated solution and saturated solution? Yes, so the solution Q already contain more salt. So if we add 10 gram of salt again, so it loses its ability, right? It cannot dissolve more amount of solute. So that is saturated solution. Understand what is unsaturated solution and saturated solution? Now see, next is supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution have the effect of temperature. Okay, there is an effect of temperature on saturated solution. How? See, supersaturated means, in saturated solution the salt or sugar will be remain at the bottom. Okay, settle down at the bottom. Now what is the effect of temperature on saturated solution? It is a saturated solution because the salt remains at the bottom. Okay, and it is 30 degrees centigrade temperature. Okay, now if I keep that beaker on a flame and heat up to 60 to 70 degrees centigrade, so the salt remaining at the bottom will be dissolved, okay, by the heat. Understand? Whatever the salt remaining at the bottom will be dissolved at 60 to 70 degree centigrade. That is सुपर सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन नाउ, राइट? दैट इज सुपर सैचुरेटेड ना. सैचुरेटेड में क्या हो रहा था? बॉटम में सॉल्ट जम जा रहा था. ओके, when we heat up to 60 to 70 degree, what happens? That dissolve, right? So that is सुपर सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. तो हो रहा क्या यहाँ पर देखिए, जब 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे रहना तो वाटर और सॉल्ट का डिस्टेंस बहुत कम रह रहा, ओके, बहुत कम है. जब हम हीट कर रहे हैं तो वाटर और सॉल्ट का डिस्टेंस क्या हो रहा? बढ़ जा रहा, ओके. देयर इज अ मच गैप और मच डिस्टेंस बिटवीन वाटर एंड salt, understand? So that kinetic energy and motion is small, okay, in this, and the gap between the water and salt, so kinetic energy and motion is maximum in that, right? At 30 degrees centigrade the energy and motion is small, at 60 to 70 degrees centigrade the kinetic energy and motion is maximum. Now see here, supersaturated solution definition, okay. It has dissolved more amount of solute that can be dissolved by solvent, okay. In supersaturated solution what happen? It can be dissolved more amount of solute that can be dissolved by solvent, okay. Solvent क्या है यहाँ पर? वाटर है. So normally water में जम गया था नीचे at 30 degree centigrade. When we heat up to 60 to 70 degree centigrade, that solvent has ability to dissolve the more amount of solute, understand? Yes. जब हम इसको ठंडा कर देंगे at back, okay, we decreases the temperature at 30 degree centigrade, what happened? The distance between the two beakers are equal and there is a formation of salt crystals, you can see, okay, crystals. So the again that supersaturated solution turns into saturated solution by forming a crystals, understand? What is supersaturated solution, students? Yes. So we have seen saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solution. So a solution which contain more amount of solute than amount required to saturate it at a particular temperature, okay. So a solution which contain more amount of solute is nothing but the substance which dissolved by solvent, okay. So required to saturate at a particular temperature, understand? Yes. Now see here, again we will repeat, okay, all that saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated we will repeat, okay. So see here, unsaturated solution, a solution which can dissolve further amount of solute at a particular temperature, okay. This is the definition of unsaturated solution. Next is saturated solution, a solution which cannot dissolve further amount of solute at a particular temperature, okay. In saturated solution the solution does not have more ability to dissolve. Supersaturated solution, it has dissolved more amount of solute that can be dissolved by solvent and which contain more amount of solute than amount required to saturate at a particular temperature, understand? Saturated solution, okay, unsaturated and supersaturated. Thank you, students.